Hi guys!
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tin.
And Sean here.
Today, the theme of our mukbang is Pinoy breakfast.
Pinoy.
So today we have smoked tinapa,
Yes.
fried egg, beef tapa, tocino, fried eggplant, and then we have achara, brown rice, and then some tomato with onion as
Yes.
side dish, and then vinegar
with coconut juice.
juice.
Yes. So by the way guys, this is a collaboration with So there you go. Please subscribe to their channel. No? Support them, and guys, more power to you. Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel
Yes,
too.
click the like button, subscribe button, and place a comment on the comment section below. Okay, sige. We will eat now. Okay, wow. It's a perfect brunch. Perfect brunch.
What do you want? This servings.
I would go for the tapa.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so today we will be talking about
Diets.
yes,
Since
diets.
yung collab natin is nakiketogenic diet sila. So, honestly, I don't know much of ketogenic diet, but I think it's something about high in fat ba? Parang ganon.
It's more of fat, protein, but no carbohydrates.
Yes,
None at
so,
all.
Kaya hindi sila nagre-rise.
Yes.
I did that before in college. Effective naman siya for me, but I think, per diet, it varies from person to person on
Yes.
how much your body can survive
And
or
plus,
can
you
take.
have to be committed to it. Especially keto diet. If you're a rice person or you're a Canning Club person, maybe it's not for you. Well, I've seen a lot of people that they did the keto diet and they made it.
Kasi if you're into, rice is life, that's not good for you.
Yeah. Which I tried it too, but I'm a breakfast person.
Actually, ang biggest dilemma ko with Sean, kasi ako for breakfast talaga, I'm only into breads. Breads, cereal, yan.
Oatmeal
Pero si
rice.
Sean, grabe. He's always looking for us, oh my gosh. Parang guys, breakfast to.
Yeah.
Sira ang diet.
Because normally when I go to work, I have to eat a lot because I have to drive every day. So if I don't eat rice, I might get dizzy along the road. So it's not advisable. I tried. But it's not for me. But I believe in keto diet, you can eat anything you want. May it be crispy pata, liempo, or any other guilty pleasures. But you cannot add any kind of carbohydrates to your diet. Anything. No sugar, not anything. Not rice, no bread. But there is bread for keto diet. Yeah. I think I saw one in Rustam's. It's this small. I think it's a small loaf of bread. It's quite heavy. I think it costs around 350 pesos.
Sarap yung tinapa.
Oh, really? Tapa is kind of spicy. Ganun is that.
Okay.
The thing about tapas and Well, the ones that we have here, they're perfect for with vinegar. So more vinegar. Yes.
Ako naman, vinegar is life.
If she puts anything, she puts vinegar in anything, almost anything. But she likes sour food.
Santol, mangga.
Can you give me those, some of those, yep. Oh yeah. Really nice thing about the tomatoes and the achara. It complements the little bit saltiness of the tapa. Yeah? What about other diets? Like, one time we tried that military diet, right?
Military diet. Okay naman siya for us every 3 days.
I believe the military diet consists of, you have a limited intake of food. Like for example, in breakfast, you only have 1 toast, 1 boiled egg, and you can have peanut butter on your toast. That's it.
I read somewhere kasi, when you have like peanut butter for breakfast, it's gonna keep you full na the whole day.
That
At
I
tapos,
like.
di ba, full of protein ang nuts. Yan. Ngayon, if you want alternatives naman, pwedeng, there's already almond butter today. Di ba? Cashew
Oh
butter.
yeah, true.
Sa Rose's Kitchen yata. Yan. Nagsusupply sila ng gano'n. If you want it to be delivered na lang at home.
Well, it's a good idea. I remember you ordered a weekly diet plan. It worked, right? The good thing about those
I think calorie counting yung ganun eh. Okay, Yummy Diet, Happy Diet. Happy Diet ginagawa yun ni Luis Manzano at mga other artista.
Oh yeah, that's the one you took. Happy diet.
Check it out guys, meron sa IG tsaka Facebook.
The good thing about it is they portion everything in packed food. So for example, you're gonna eat lunch, you just got to eat the lunch packed ones.
Maka-portion na siya, so parang
So don't eat beyond that. That's the thing.
5 days lang naman. I remember may cheat day pa ako every Friday and Friday, sorry. Hanggang Friday yung diet. Every Saturday, Sunday, Kung date kami ni Sean that time, yung mga cheat day ko na. But otherwise, Monday to Friday, I strictly follow and I'm disciplined to follow yung diet plan nila. Whatever they have packed for me, that's all I'm going to eat. And then, ang tinitrain kasi nila that time is, parang reduce lang ba, pero you have to keep on eating 8 glasses of water per day, and then, syempre, less sugar intake. Pero tuwa ako sa Happy Diet kasi parang, yung mga foods nila, pampahappy talaga.
Oh, that's good.
So, minsan, I have merienda twice a day. So, the technique is to not skip a meal, to speed up the metabolism. So, dapat like every 2 hours may kinakain ka. For example, breakfast. You start breakfast at 8 a.m. So, I have like maybe Quaker oats, pero it's arroz caldo oats instead of like the regular arroz caldo lang with rice. So, healthier version, di ba? It's packed with oats siya. It's gonna keep you full for a longer time. And it's good for the heart and good for digestion as well. And then, after 2 hours, maybe they're gonna give me like a small apple. Then after 2 hours, lunch na. After 2 hours, merienda again. Sometimes I have a brownie pala for merienda. Diba?
You'll be surprised.
And then of course, dinner naman. Yeah. May rice siya, don't worry. May rice. Yun nga lang, reduce. So feeling ko, I think that was like calorie counting. That time, I'm so busy kasi at work. So, helpful siya for me kasi at least kakainin ko na lang. There's no more cooking done. You just have to reheat it in the microwave. Diba? And it's healthy food. Importante kasi yung kumakain ka talaga.
I know that I can do. Reduce portions on the meal time, and we can eat portions as well on snack time. Because me, normally on breakfast is my heaviest. Sometimes I eat 2 portions of rice in the morning. If I don't do that, I will really get dizzy on the road.
Grabe. Si Sean parang sinasapian talaga. When are you going to eat? What am I going to eat?
If I don't eat in the morning, I think you won't be able to talk to me. Even coffee, and just coffee for me in the morning is enough to keep me sane.
Other
If I don't
diets
have
naman.
coffee.
Sorry, sige, you go.
If I don't have my coffee in the morning, oof, I'm like a zombie.
So, other diets naman that both I and both Sean and I have tried. Ay, kasi syempre married couple. So, kung mag-diet yung isa, di ba? Couple goals. Charot. Ayun. So, anyhow, try na namin yung cucumber diet.
Yeah.
Try niyo na ba yun? Effective siya.
I think I lost 1 or 2 kilos in that.
Same. Kaya ba?
Yeah, I did.
1 week. Cucumber diet. Puro cucumber lang. You can eat it as is, or if you want, let it swim in the vinegar or any other vinegar, mga red wine vinegar, okay siya. Effective din yung mag-green tea ka ng 2 times a day. So you could really lose 2 kilos in a month. Diba? The problem lang with that kasi, too much intake of tea, it weakens yung bone mo naman in the long run. Diba? So, yun yung sinasabi, diba? Yung parang,
it's a balance. Should be a balance.
dapat may balance.
How about what we're doing right now, the pescatarian diet? Pescatarian diet.
We did the pescatarian diet also before. Pescatarian diet, naman siya, basta wala lang meat. Pero we can eat rice, fish, vegetables. Doon nagpo-focus yung diet naman.
It's really nice because sometimes when you eat meat, you have a feeling of heaviness inside because of the fat and everything. But if you do the pescatarian diet, it's like you're full, but it's very light. It's guilt-free.
For healthy purposes as well.
Actually, what we're doing right now is mixed because we have a little daughter. So we want to make sure that she eats the vegetables.
That's our goal.
That's our
to
goal.
get her to eat as much vegetables as we can. So ako, ginagawa ko minsan, chini-cheat ko siya. No? Like, mahilig siya sa chicken. So what we will do, chicken tinola. Yan, mahilig siya sa mga ma-ginger. Chicken tinola, ginger chicken, may turmeric. Yan. O kaya, yung meatballs, talagyan siya ng carrots, onion, garlic, and then may bell pepper because bell pepper is packed with vitamin C.
We grate them inside so you cannot, it's hardly noticeable.
Another cheat ko kay baby, yung vegetable rice. Yeah, we grate the carrot. Gusto niya yun, grabe. Sa rice.
The carrots, the zucchini.
Fried rice lang, pero at
You can put broccoli in there too.
Oo. Grated broccoli, grated carrots.
Oh, she loves it. Really.
Bell pepper. Yeah.
She loves it. And
Yung
you can,
mga falafel, okay din yun. Packed with vegetables talaga.
And you can add a little bit of small meat bits on the vegetable rice. Oh, she loves it. She loves it. At least we have a peace of mind that our little daughter is eating vegetables. I think what we're doing now is a balanced vegetarian diet. No? But not fully because we're eating meat. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Now click the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe on our Collab. We left their details below, so please support them, guys. Okay? I like tocino. You know, me, I'm a tocino person. It's my favorite breakfast. And normally when we go on vacations, we go on resorts, normally they have a free, what do you call this? Breakfast in the morning.
Pag nasa buffet.
So, not really buffet. Like for example, we go to Boracay. And remember that small resort that we went to? And they're serving a basic breakfast. And the breakfast is called tapsi. Silog, whatever you call it. My go-to meal is tocino. Tapa, not so much, but tocino, yes.
Pag sa mga buffet, Actually, I would go pa rin first to the ano.
Tinapa
I
is
would
good.
always go straight dun sa mga ano, sa mga Danish pastry.
Ah, buffet.
Kasi you don't get to eat that every day. And nami-miss ko yun. Kasi kami ng brother ko, we used to eat that. Ikaroon yung mga pabaon sa amin nila mami before.
Abu Dhabi, ah?
Sa Abu Dhabi. Kasi mga pastries talaga sila doon, hindi rice. I think dito sa Philippines lang kami mas nakakain ng rice for breakfast. Pero kung ako talaga pipiliin, more on ano, mga pastries and bread talaga yung prefer ko for breakfast. Pero, di ba, I'm done, ready. Did my Danish pastries, ganyan. Maybe nag-cereal na rin ako, enjoy some fruits. Pero I can't help myself. Parang ang sarap ng display ng Filipino breakfast. Pag nakita mo sa buffet. Nanay may danggit, pinam, tocino, di ba? Tapos may fried rice. Wala na. Papasok na yung rice is life.
When it comes to buffet, that's a different story. Normally I would go to the ones that I don't regularly eat. Like, yeah, like you said, pastries, baked items. I finished it.
Mga croissant yan.
Croissant.
By the way, in case you guys don't know, every Friday sa Cafe France Mega Mall, naka-buy one get one yung mga pastries doon. Lalo na yung croissant. Mahilig kayo sa almond croissant, butter, ham and cheese, tsaka chocolate croissant. Go there. Ewan ko lang sa ibang branches, pero tried and tested. Every Friday, naka-buy one get one ang Cafe France.
Yeah.
Pati yung mga Madelines nila.
Yeah.
Favorite namin
Yung
yan.
mga breads nila, yung mga loaf.
Pati yung mga loaf, naka-buy one get one.
Everything actually. Well, even yesterday, they were on a buy one take one promo. I think because of the 12-12. Yeah, they were. There's a lot of people, gosh. Anyway, I hope they observe social distancing by then. Wow, I was full. You know, this is a perfect finisher. Coconut juice.
So guys, we're gonna leave this one for my brother and for Maddie.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!